I'm Rob. I'm a manager here at Emigh Hardware, and I want to talk about another new product that we are bringing in, the Meter Plus. Meter was a small company that was recently purchased this last summer by Traeger, and it's now in their family of products. And I think you're really going to enjoy the wireless function and the features of this new tool. All right, we're going to go ahead and test out the Meter Plus. I've got one nice piece of a nice ribeye here, ready to go, that we're going to throw straight on the grill. You can see I've already inserted the Meter Plus probe in there to get it started. Just talking about the item a little bit, what you're going to get in the box really is just the probe, the charging block, and a battery that goes in the back here. So you'll notice there's no USB, there's no wires, there's no plugs. Everything is going to be battery operated. The probe, it's got two sensors. It's got one on the point here and it's got one in the back. The back is going to be your ambient temperature that is going to give you the temperature for inside the grill. The point of the probe is going to give you your true meat temperature inside the meat. So the Meter Plus probe is going to come with an app. Of course it is, because everything comes with an app. Easily downloaded off of Google Play Store or off the Apple Store. Just type in Meter Probe, Meter Barbecue. It comes up pretty quickly. Once it's installed, you're going to get a little icon here, and touch on the icon, it sends you right into the app. Extremely friendly, very user-friendly app. You're going to have a little menu up here that is going to give you some history of previous cooks. It's also going to give you different settings. There are alarms here. You can set the different alarms. You can turn the alarm off, etc. One of the things that's really nice about the Meter Plus, as opposed to the Meter, you might see the Meter online a little cheaper. The Meter Plus, which we have here at Emigh for $99, gives you a little more range. So this Bluetooth is talking to the butcher block, which you, on the Traeger, you can put it literally on the side of the Traeger, or you can put it 20, 25 feet away. This is basically an extender that's going to help talk to your phone. So you could be inside the house, 50 feet away, through windows, through doors, doesn't matter. With the Meter Plus, it's really going to have be able to talk to you with a nice long range. Okay, we've got a good sear here. We're going to go ahead and flip this. So you'll notice how far the probe is in. If you look closely here, it's hard to see, but you'll feel there's a little notch here, a little indentation. You need to make sure the probe is in that far in order for the sensors to accurately put the temperature onto the app. So this is a thinner piece of meat. You're going to find that the probe is going to work a little bit better with the longer cook, with the thicker piece of meat. But we thought for demo purposes would be the easiest way to go. So taking a quick look here, back at the app, you can see our ambient temperature right now is around 400. It's dropping obviously because the lid is up. Internal temperature is around 126. We're trying to get to 135. So it shows 2 minutes remaining if that temperature holds. So obviously if the lid's off, it's going to take a little longer. If I close it, it might even go a little quicker. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you can see now with the lid closed, our temperature is starting to climb again. And the internal, starting to get an increase on the internal temperature. So you can see now it's saying 1 minute remaining. Our internal here is real close. And so it is sending me an alert, sending me an alarm saying remove from heat. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. That's looking real good. And we're going to leave the probe in. We're leaving the probe in because this is going to also give us a timer for resting, because this is going to continue to climb after you take it off the heat. So we might be overshooting it a little bit, to be honest. I went a little under because you don't want to overcook this thing. So it'll give us a resting alert here as well, 5 to 10 minutes typically, and then it will tell you that the cook is done and we should be ready to go. Don't forget the Meter Plus, $99 here at Emigh. Great Christmas gift, something a little different, maybe unique, that special person hasn't seen before.